All right, when you open up your Influenster box, you find all kinds of goodies. And this is a pretty substantial sized box. It tells you how quick and simple it is to do Influenster. And it really is this simple. Life out on the road in so many states and cities. I still have time to sign up for this, get home every couple of months. They give you a good amount of leeway to be able to do this. So, shout out to Influenster for that. So, this is the Finesse VoxBox. And it's got fun stuff, good for you stuff, and I am super excited, as you can tell, because I already did my nails. So, on the back, it tells you a list of everything that's in the box, the details of it, and the retail value of it. Now, I'm actually going to point something out on this one. And I'm sure it's not a typo. I'm sure what they did was they're not going to give you a 20-ounce jar of the smoothie. But it does say on here that they do and that it's a $30 value. But you get a packet, which is enough because it's not for everyone. So, but they also have a coupon code. So if you do like some of the products, they give you percentages off and things like that. So the first thing I'm going to show you is the big one. The minute rice. So it is a red quinoa and brown rice with garlic. 2 servings, perfect for my husband and I. I'm going to be honest though, we are doing a low carb thing. I am so going to try this though, because rice is healthy for you. And if you choose to eat rice, this might be something that you could have on your lunch break, or maybe you're a single gal or guy who's got a busy life. So single serving sizes might be what the right fit for you. It only takes 60 seconds to make. So let's say, you know, you're going to go out on a day or night on the town. You could have that rice as your meal. And you could have this, say, before you go work out or when you're done working out. This is the Ollie Superfoods Protein Smoothie. That's a lot of words. With fruits and veggies, 15 grams of plant protein, which is awesome. So it'll give you a lot of energy. And all the ingredients are back here. You can mix it with your favorite beverage. I don't know if you want to mix it with tequila, though. I wouldn't suggest that. I'll probably just use water. But there's all the ingredients, healthy stuff, nutrition and everything. So this is the thing that it does say on the card that they give you a jar of. But again, these smoothies aren't for everyone. So at least you could try it out, and then they give you the coupon code. The next thing was the nail polish. So we're going to start with this one because it's the colorful one. So it, as you can see, my nails aren't anything glamorous. I live on a truck. What do you expect? But it's a pretty pastel-y shade. So you guys, Easter's coming and stuff like that. It's a great shade, and it is by Essie. Coolest thing ever is my husband and I listen to NPR when we're out on the road, and they had the founder of Essie on there, and it's a really neat story. So if you're interested in anything like that, you should go check it out. So this one, I have to pull it out of camera, is Once Upon a Time. So very nice and springy, like I said. I did do 2 coats. I've worn it for 2 days, taken a shower, all that other stuff. So it stays on pretty well. And then they give you a top coat. So, kind of the same situation. It is a gel, so it will be a little stronger and thicker, which is perfectly fine. 2 coats worked wonderfully. And then the last thing they give you is this full-size bottle of Not Your Mother's Naturals Blue Sea Kale and Pure Coconut Water Mousse. A weightless mousse. I'm not normally a mousse person, but this sounds delicious for my hair, so I'm so going to be trying this. And again, it's a full bottle. This is a big bottle. So, it sounds like something great and nourishing for your hair. So, I will be trying that. So, going back real quick with the mousse, it's a $9 value, and you can find it at Ulta. And the minute rice is $2.50. And obviously, you can find that at any of your local grocers. And again, not sure about that one, but for a 20-ounce jar, it is $30. $11.50 for each of those. So that is a pretty good deal for samples. Full-size samples, you guys. So I really look forward to trying that yummy rice and the superfood smoothie, and my hair will definitely need some of that, try some of that mousse. So that is everything. I will be posting individual pictures and things like that to all of my social media and following up. But again, if Essie is a little bit more expensive, but it is a gel nail polish and a nice top coat. And living on the road, if my polish can stay on that well, that's pretty dang good. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I've inspired you to try some of these products.